This is a question about prime factorizations.
Pause the video now, have a go at the question, and press play when you're ready for the solution.
Right, so to start, we need to find the prime factorizations of 180 and 450. I'm going to do this by using a factor tree. So first, it's always sensible to check if a number is even, so you can take out 2. That's 2 times 90, which is even again. I'll take out another 2. 45 is 9 times 5, so I'll take out the 5. And 9 is 3 times 3. So that's the first one done. 450 again is even. That's times 225. Now 225 isn't even, but I know that 25 goes into it, so it's 9 times 25. Neither of those are prime, but 9 is 3 times 3. 25 is 5 times 5. So these are done. Right, now we have to find the highest common factor and lowest common multiple of these two numbers. So I've written them out. Remember, when it says a product of prime numbers, you have to put the times in between, otherwise you'll lose a mark. I've written them in index form. That is optional, but probably looks slightly better, like you know what you're doing. So I'm going to use a Venn diagram for this. I'm not going to make it too formal because it's really just working out. So that's my 180. That's my 450. You can see that what they've got in common, they've got a 2 in common. They have got 2 3s in common. And they've got a 1 5 in common. So 2 2s, 2 3s and a 5. So I need another 2 in here. And a 2 and 2 3s and 2 5s, so I need another 5 in here. So the highest common factor will be the product of the numbers that are in the intersection of the two circles. So highest common factor is 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. Which is 90. You're doing it in your head. If this is a non-calculator paper, group the primes in a neat way when you're timesing them. So I'm going to go 9 times 10 is 90. Lowest common multiple. So for that, you just multiply all the numbers that you can see in the Venn diagram. So that is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5. So again, I'm going to sort of make this easy for myself and say, lay times to make 10, lay times to make 10, that's 9, so it's 9 times 10 times 10. So the lowest common multiple is 900. Don't forget that if you've got a question like this, sometimes they come upon calculator papers, and don't forget that there is a button on your calculator that will do prime factorizations for you. And if you don't know how that works, you need to watch our video on prime factorizations on a calculator.